Today, we head back to Barcelona to focus on the food scene. This city delivers some of the best dishes in Spain. Tapas bars, local markets, traditional restaurants. We're going to taste it all. So, let's make our way back to Barcelona to pick up the action. Our first stop is Bronzo in the heart of Barcelona. The restaurant sits in a busy central neighbourhood surrounded by historic streets, shops and local cafes. The location places you right in the middle of the city's energy while still feeling relaxed and welcoming. Inside, the space feels warm and modern. Clean design, soft lighting and an open social atmosphere make it a great place to settle in and enjoy a meal. The menu focuses on Mediterranean and Italian-inspired dishes. Expect handmade pasta, quality meats, fresh seafood, and carefully prepared small plates built for sharing. Each dish highlights fresh ingredients and simple flavours done well. A top tip, be sure to save room for dessert. The tiramisu stands out and ranks among the best in the city. Our next stop sits minutes from Puerto de Barcelona at Paco Alcal. This local restaurant sits in a busy part of the city surrounded by historic streets and neighbourhood shops. Inside, the atmosphere feels relaxed and traditional with a welcoming dining room where groups gather to share large dishes. The menu focuses on classic Spanish cuisine with seafood, grilled meats and traditional rice dishes. Locals strongly recommended this spot for one thing: their paella. Our next stop is 𝐼𝐻𝐵𝐻. This stands as my favourite restaurant we visited in the city. The restaurant sits in a central neighbourhood close to many of Barcelona's main streets and evening hotspots. The moment you step inside, the dining room makes an impression. Dark tones, elegant lighting and rich decor create a refined setting that feels perfect for a special night out. The menu focuses on high-quality steaks and classic European dishes. Much of the experience happens tableside. Staff prepare and finish several dishes right in front of you. One highlight comes with the steak. They garnish it tableside with burnt rosemary and balsamic vinegar, which fills the air with an incredible aroma. Be sure to visit after dark. The lighting and decor transform the space and create one of the most striking dining rooms in Barcelona. The next stop on our whirlwind food tour, and located just minutes from Sagrada Familia, is La Pala. This casual takeaway sits along one of the city's busy streets where locals and tourists alike stop for a quick bite while exploring the neighbourhood. The setting feels simple and fast-paced, built for grabbing food on the go rather than sitting down for a long meal. They focus on fresh, quick comfort food, but they built their reputation on one thing: pizza. Locals know this spot for its flavourful slices and crisp crust, which makes it a great stop when you want something quick while moving through the city. The next stop is one market you do not want to miss: Mercado de la Bucharia. This famous market sits just off La Rambla in the heart of Barcelona. Its large iron entrance opens into a busy food hall filled with colour, energy and the sounds of vendors calling out to customers. Inside, you'll find rows of stalls packed with fresh produce, seafood, ice cream, cured meats, cheeses, pastries, chocolates and local specialties. Some vendors focus on ingredients for home cooking. Others prepare food right at the counter so you can grab something to eat while exploring the market. Juices, tapas, seafood plates and sweet treats draw crowds throughout the day. Both locals and tourists fill the aisles from morning through late afternoon. Residents stop in for fresh ingredients while visitors come to experience one of the most famous food markets in Spain. Step outside the market and the surrounding streets offer clothing stores, souvenir shops and small gift stores. The real highlight sits inside the market itself, where the incredible range of food makes it one of the best places in Barcelona to taste local flavours in one stop. Don't hesitate to wander the narrow historic streets of the city. Many hidden gems are tucked away from the main avenues, tucked behind old stone walls or around corners that most travel guides never mention. Some of the city's best food experiences come from simply taking the time to explore without a plan. One such discovery was Longha de Tapas. Located deep in the heart of these winding streets, this restaurant would have remained completely off our radar if we had not been wandering aimlessly. Its unassuming exterior gives no hint of the culinary experience waiting inside. The menu highlights traditional Spanish cuisine, with tapas taking centre stage. Small plates are designed for sharing, making it easy to try a variety of dishes in one visit. Expect seafood, specialties, cured meats, grilled vegetables, croquettes and other classic Spanish bites, each prepared with care and flavour. The focus is on fresh ingredients and authentic recipes that capture the essence of Barcelona's culinary culture. The interior matches the charm of the neighbourhood, bright, welcoming and airy. The dining room features clean lines, natural lighting and cheerful decor that immediately makes you feel at ease. It's the perfect setting to relax, enjoy multiple tapas plates, and soak in the friendly local atmosphere. If you're craving something sweet, Slitty is the place to go. This dessert spot offers a wide range of indulgences. Their gelato comes in rich, creamy flavours, perfect on its own or as part of an affogato, where a shot of espresso transforms it into a decadent treat. Coffee lovers will appreciate expertly brewed options, from smooth cappuccinos to rich espressos. Hot chocolate here is thick, velvety and ideal for warming up on cooler days. For chocolate enthusiasts, the selection of fudge is a highlight. Handmade and intensely flavourful, it pairs perfectly with a coffee or gelato. Every offering feels crafted to satisfy a serious sweet tooth, making Slitty a must-visit stop for dessert lovers in Barcelona. For this trip, I stayed at the Renaissance Hotel Barcelona, perfectly located in the city's vibrant centre. One of the highlights of the hotel is its rooftop bar and restaurant, Goha, which offers sweeping panoramic views across Barcelona. From the rooftop, you could see the iconic Sagrada Familia, the modern silhouette of Torre Glorias, formerly Torre Agbar, and the surrounding cityscape. The colourful bullet-shaped tower stands out as a symbol of Barcelona's contemporary architecture, adding a striking contrast to the historic skyline. Watching the city transform at sunset from this vantage point is truly unforgettable. The restaurant serves a refined mix of Mediterranean and contemporary cuisine, focusing on fresh, high-quality ingredients. The menu features shareable plates, grilled dishes, and modern takes on classic Spanish flavours, all thoughtfully presented. Despite being part of a hotel, Goha feels local and inviting rather than formal. Comfortable seating, an open-air rooftop section, and tasteful decor creates a relaxed yet elegant dining environment. Service is attentive and personable. Staff offer recommendations on dishes, local wines, and the best moments to enjoy the views, making the experience feel like dining in a neighbourhood favourite. Between the breathtaking panoramas of landmarks like Sagrada Familia and the carefully crafted menu, the warm, personalised service, Goha delivers a complete Barcelona dining experience. And that wraps up today's episode on the best spots to eat and grab a snack in beautiful Barcelona. I hope you've enjoyed coming along for this delicious ride. The city truly knows how to treat your taste buds. If you've been to Barcelona before, I'd love to hear from you. So drop a comment down below and let me know your favourite place to eat or snack in the city. And if you haven't been yet, tell me which spot from this video you'd want to try first. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of when the next video is going to drop. Until next time, we'll see you then.